Hi, I'm David and welcome to Leisure Bit, and today we're going to have a look at some of these Wildax campervans.
Leisure Bit is the way to go with David, Rachel and Roxy. Let's hit the road and explore.
Here's the Wildax Europa 2021 71 reg, and it's up for $69,995. The Wildax Europa comes with a lithium battery and it's also automatic. U-shaped lounge at the back, flat walk through, fridge there, microwave up here, sliding lockers, TV bracket there, and the washroom. Sink, shower, separate tap, and another little cupboard and a mirror. There's also a little area at the front, handy for having your breakfast, and another little cupboard up the top, as well as storage round here. Your control panel there, and your other panels there. Your cooker, Thetford triplex one. Your sink, drainer, and a little cupboard in the middle there. So this is up as a show special on the 71 reg at $69,995. It's with a 3-year warranty. Here we've got the Wildax Constellation 4 23 reg, and that's up for $72,995. The remaining manufacturer's warranty. Series 8 cab, Wildax. Got your bench seats that make into a bed, extra travel seat there with seat belt. Little pull out rest there. You've got your fridge again here, storage, your washroom at the back, similar to the other one, triplex cooker as well, sink, and quite a large worktop there for cooking. Your control panel up there, your lights. There's the cab. Some handy storage here and on the back door. Bit of a look on this end. We've got a new Solaris XL. It's a 4-berth, and that's up for $79,995. Here's the Solaris XL, and it's up for $79,995. Take a look at this one. Brand new 23 model. Got the automatic. Smells lovely in here. We've got the 2 seats here. Telly, the fridge there. Got a larger cooker in this one, 4-burner, and then the separate oven and grill, and this one's got bunk beds. The heating control there, sink, it's the washroom, toilet, sink, hello, and then an access through to the back. That's quite good. Some sockets there. A bit of a view from the front.
You got your phone on you?
There's various table mounting points in the floor. A nice motorhome. So we've got the Pulsar, a brand new one, 2 berth, 5.4 metres, 77,995. This is the Wildax Pulsar Mark II. It's a front bed setup there. The automatic again. The triplex cooker and the fridge. Plenty of storage. The washroom there. Kitchen area. Storage again. Again, that's 77,995 at the show. Got a Wildax on the Mann chassis here, and that's up for 94,995. Wildax van on a Mann chassis. Automatic. Front seats here. Shroom. U-shaped rear lounge. The sink there. Handy cupboard with a drawer. Yeah. Induction hob. Closer look at the Mann cab there. One's up at 94,995. Got a second-hand Solaris XL here. Quick look at that. Wildax, 64,995. Front lounge with the 2 seats. Bike rack on the back. 64,995 on the 71 plate. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Catch you on the next one. Bye.